Hello, welcome to the Tech Plug channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of 4K TVs and how they have become essential to our entertainment setup. It's crazy to think that just a few years ago, 4K TVs were considered luxury items for those with deep pockets. But now, they have become mainstream, and the market is flooded with incredible options that won't break the bank. We're talking about 4K TVs under $1,000. You don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy stunning picture quality and immerse yourself in the world of high-definition content. Whether you're looking for a compact TV that fits perfectly in your bedroom or a massive screen that makes you feel like you're at the movies, there's something out there for you. But here's the best part. There's an abundance of 4K content available right at your fingertips. Streaming platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu, and YouTube are brimming with 4K content. So, you won't be left searching for compatible shows or movies. You'll have plenty to choose from and truly make the most out of that stunning resolution. Now, let's get started. All the links mentioned in this review video are in the description below. At number 5 we have the Samsung Q80C series 4K TV. One of the standout features of the Q80C series is its bright screen with immersive colors. Samsung's QLED display panels truly deliver on picture quality, providing excellent brightness and true-to-life colors. And with direct full-array local dimming technology, you'll get good contrast and a solid HDR experience, except when it comes to Dolby Vision enhanced content. Now, let's move on to the remote control. Trust me when I say this is one of the best remote controls out there. It's sleek, intuitive, and the cherry on top. It's rechargeable. You can power it up using a solar panel or a USB-C port. Talk about convenience. And let's not forget about the feature-rich platform. The Q80C series runs on Samsung's Tizen platform, which is smooth, user-friendly, and offers a plethora of apps and streaming services for your entertainment needs. You'll have no shortage of content to explore. The Q80C series lacks Dolby Vision support, so if you're a fan of Dolby Vision enhanced content, you might want to keep that in mind. It's not a deal breaker for everyone, but it's worth considering if Dolby Vision is a must-have feature for you. The Q80C series has a minimalist design that blends seamlessly into any decor. Plus, it comes with a neat cable management setup, so you can bid farewell to messy cables cluttering up your space. Well, the Q80C series delivers a pretty good audio experience for a standalone TV. It supports Dolby Atmos and features object tracking technology. However, if you really want to elevate your audio game and make the most of the TV's fantastic picture quality, we recommend investing in a soundbar. It'll truly take your viewing experience to the next level. At number 4 we're going to talk about the LG B2 4K OLED TV in the 55 inches size. First and foremost, it boasts the best-in-class picture quality and contrast. With millions of individually backlit pixels, this TV delivers a stunning visual experience with deeper blacks, vibrant colors, and incredible detail. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. But that's not all. Gaming enthusiasts, this one's for you. The LG B2 excels in gaming performance. Whether you're playing on a console, a computer, or a cloud-based platform, this TV provides outstanding compatibility, giving you a smooth and immersive gaming experience. One of the drawbacks is that the screen could be brighter. If you have a room with very bright lighting, you might want to consider a cheaper alternative like the Hisense U8H, which offers higher maximum brightness. However, personally, I'd still recommend going all out and investing your $1,000 budget in the LG B2 OLED TV for its overall superior performance. Now, if you're on a tighter budget, don't worry. LG has got you covered with the A2 series. While it may have a lower maximum refresh rate, it still offers that incredible OLED infinite contrast, making every viewing experience feel like a special occasion. It has a maximum refresh rate of 120 Hz, and when it comes to HDR, it supports Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HLG. Unfortunately, it doesn't have local dimming, but the connectivity options are pretty solid with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, Apple AirPlay 2, 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, and 3 USB ports. At number 3 we have a TCL 5 Series 4K TV. Now, if you're looking for the best value TV on the market, then this might just be the one for you. Let's dive into the pros and cons of this bad boy. One of the standout features of the TCL 5 Series is its impressive picture quality and HDR performance. You're getting a sleek design and picture quality that used to be reserved for more expensive sets. The colors are vibrant, and the contrast is deep, thanks to TCL's quantum dot display panel and 40 local dimming zones. With Roku, you have easy access to all your favorite streaming services and the user interface is super user-friendly. It's a breeze to navigate and find the content you want to watch. One of the downsides of this TV is that it could use a 120Hz screen. The maximum refresh rate on this TV is 60Hz, which is perfectly fine for most casual viewing. But if you're a hardcore gamer or someone who enjoys fast-paced action movies, you might notice a slight difference in motion smoothness. In terms of connectivity, the TCL 5 series has you covered. It comes with Wi-Fi 5 and 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, so you can connect all your devices without any issues. There's also a USB port for your convenience. One of the great things about this TV is its smart home integration. It supports Amazon, Apple, and Google voice assistants, so you can easily control your TV with your voice. TCL also includes a remote with the TV, which is super easy to use, but if you prefer, you can also control the TV through the smartphone app. At number 2, we have a TCL 6 Series 4K Smart TV, specifically the 55 inches model. This TV has been a popular choice among consumers, and it's a strong contender if you're in the market for a new television. First off, the picture quality on this TV is excellent. It offers vivid colors, deep blacks, and great contrast, thanks to its hundreds of local dimming zones. Whether you're watching movies, TV shows, or playing video games, you can expect a visually immersive experience. Speaking of gaming, the TCL 6 series performs exceptionally well in that department. It has a higher maximum screen refresh rate, which means smoother gameplay, especially if you have a high-powered gaming console. So, if you're a gamer looking for a TV that can keep up with your gaming needs, this could be a great choice for you. In terms of connectivity, the TCL 6 series doesn't disappoint. It comes with a wide range of connectivity features, including Wi-Fi 5, 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, and a USB port. This means you can easily connect your favorite devices, such as gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, or streaming devices, without any hassle. One downside of the TCL 6 series is that its wider viewing angles can impact the picture quality. So, if you're watching the TV from an angle, you may notice a slight decrease in picture quality compared to viewing it straight on. However, if you typically watch TV from the front, this may not be a major concern for you. One standout feature of the TCL 6 series is its compatibility with Apple HomeKit and AirPlay streaming. This is a great advantage for those who rely on Apple HomeKit to control their smart home devices. Plus, if you prefer using your phone as a remote control, you can easily do so with the Roku TV mobile app, which is a handy feature. In terms of design, the TCL 6 series offers a sleeker look compared to its competitors. It has a sturdy metal base in the middle, giving it a modern and stylish appearance. The remote control is also more minimalist, which some people may prefer. Finally, coming in at number 1 is the Hisense U8H QLED series. This TV has a lot going for it. First off, the display panel on the U8H is bright and vibrant. Whether you're watching your favorite movies or playing video games, the picture quality is fantastic and can definitely compete with more expensive options out there. Another great thing about this TV is that it supports all HDR formats. So whether you're watching content in Dolby Vision, HDR10, or HDR10+, you'll get that stunning high dynamic range experience. When it comes to connectivity, the U8H has you covered. It offers an excellent set of features, including Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.0. Plus, it comes with 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, and 2 USB ports. So you'll have plenty of options to connect all your devices. One thing to keep in mind is that the wider viewing angles can impact the picture quality a bit. So if you're sitting off to the side, you might notice a slight decrease in the overall quality. It's not a deal breaker by any means, but it's something to consider. Overall, the Hisense U8H series is an incredible TV for the price. It has a sleek design, outstanding picture quality, and a feature-rich Google TV platform. That's all we had for today. Check out the links in the description for pricing and availability. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful.